All right, ladies and gentlemen, now let's get to this incredible kickboxing battle. Coming to the cage, fighting out of Rogers, Arkansas, this is Tun Oo.
Like that, one of the fastest knockouts in Extreme Fight Night. That feels good, especially that was his debut last time.
Yeah.
And so he's got to feel pretty good about coming in tonight's fight for a belt.
Got the knockout of the night, award, that big trophy. Just killed it, man. Explosive, tenacious, just violent display.
Violent, great word. Let's meet who his challenger is.
And coming to the cage, fighting out of Wichita, Kansas, this is Mike Lopez.
Mike Lopez making his way to the cage, making his debut as well. I mean, Brian, talk about what do you tell a guy who's like, hey, the guy you're facing has one of the fastest knockouts.
Don't get hit. Move your head. You know what I mean?
Years of experience speaking right there. I love that.
Man, defense. You gotta have some confidence. You can't be worried. You can't be. You gotta have something to offer, or you're coaching.
Right. You gotta know that, hey, just lasts longer than 23 seconds, and you're doing better than the last guy. And if you're too new, are you going, hey, I want to go in there, I want to get another one? Or do I have more to show? This is the guy who made his debut last time, and he played football and played multiple sports in high school, and he's like, oh, I'll be fighting. And
This is for the inaugural championship.
Yes.
At 170 pounds, correct?
Correct, yeah. We're going to go 3-minute rounds.
And this is the 170-pound Young Guns Championship.
And you know that Tun Oo is going to have a little bit more confidence, and Mike Lopez is looking to play spoiler. All right, kickboxing championship fight on the line. Extreme Fight Night 392, Young Guns. Casey's got the introduction.
Here we go, 3 rounds of 3 minutes apiece, gentlemen. Let's meet our kickboxers fighting out of the regal blue corner. He fights out of Rogers, Arkansas, weighing in at 173 pounds. This is Tun Oo. And across the cage, fighting out of the T&W Tire red corner. Fighting out of Wichita, Kansas, weighing in at 169 pounds. This is Mike Lopez! A referee in charge of this battle is Mr. Kevin Super Kicks Nix. Are you ready? Here we go.
Door is locked. Tun Oo in black trunks with the pit bull on the side. Mike Lopez in the shiny black trunks.
Yeah, Team TCB is 2-0 so far. Mike's the longer fighter. Still, he's got the range, the reach. See how he puts it together. Tun is obviously.
He just caught him in like a wheel kick.
Man, I'll tell you what, he's got some just violent strikes, man. Wonderful counter work by Mike, though.
Lopez is doing a great job.
These guys are just trying to kill each other. I don't even know what you call that. That's just holy haymakers.
Push off the cage. Oh, kick on the way out.
It was a front kick followed by a hard right hand.
Yeah.
I mean, when I say Tun is throwing everything but the kitchen sink, that's exactly what he's doing.
We do have the gas station punch like that for 3 rounds.
How? Well, we're about to find out, I think.
Push kick from Tun Oo.
Oi! Beautiful work by Mike. And he's got to chin down a little bit. Mike needs to chin down a little bit and block those shots. Tun is just going to throw his gas tank right out the window, I think. He's already breathing through his mouth. He's looking, he's hoping, living on a prayer right now with that right hand. Oh. Oh. Well, Mike's trying to match him, so we're going to see who's got the heart. The next round's cardio. The second round's where cardio comes in, like I told you. First is skill, second's heart. Or cardio, third's heart.
Superman punch. Catches him a couple times. He goes down. He's going to. You can see he's grabbing the leg, which is not something you do. That is a lot of MMA stuff. Kickboxing, when he goes down, they give him a break. Mr. Dix tells Tun Oo to get over.
Beautiful job. Both guys just hammering it down in the pocket.
Yeah, Mr. Dix is giving Tun Oo a warning, like,
Both guys just throwing hammers, dude. Like, duck and wing.
That's 2 down. I don't know if Mr. Dix is gonna give it to him. Oh. Tun Oo had not slowed down. His punches had the same velocity, the same tenacity, over and over and over again. So there was no way that that was going to let up at all. So for him to keep going, that was probably a smart call. And you gotta, live to fight another day. And I think you gotta commend the corner for doing what was best for the fighter. Maybe the fans don't love it, but that was probably what he felt was best for his fighter.
Yeah, for Mike Lopez to come in his debut, you're fighting for a title against a guy that has the fastest KO in XFN history. Says a lot.
Yeah. All right, Casey's got the official announcement.
Make some noise for this fight, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Come on. Hell of a round. This bout ends at the end of round 1. Your winner, out of the blue corner by TKO, Tun Oo.
Tun Oo getting the victory. Brian Foster is in the cage to talk to our winner.
What's up, guys? I'm here with your winner, Tun Oo. Tun, give us a little insight as to what the game plan is, or was, coming into tonight's fight.
The game plan was just to dominate. I knew it was going to be a long fight, so we were backstage trying to prepare it. And thank you, Coach, and my teammates from TCB. Without them, I wouldn't be here.
Absolutely, man. That was some
I mean, that was some heavy, heavy striking, man. Is that what you guys have been working on? Is that what you plan to do? I know your opponent came in on short notice and you were scheduled to fight somebody else, but was that the original plan, was coming in here and putting that power on display?
Yes, sir. I came here to dominate, but I was not. I didn't like my performance, but I'll be back though. I'll be back way better than that.
Absolutely. Well, we can't wait to see you, my man. You're your champion, Tun Oo.
Tun Oo getting the victory, and he says he's got a lot more to give, a lot more to show. I'm looking for things that he can show for Extreme Fight Night. We got more going on. Nick Fields is back in the cage when we come back.